A product by Multipro.
Are you tired of struggling to insert the latex pillow into the pillow cover? It's a tedious job that requires a lot of labor and time. But fret not, because Multipro Machines has the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Latex Pillow Cover Pack Machine, the first of its kind in India. This revolutionary machine can automatically insert the latex pillow into the pillow cover, saving you both time and effort. Say goodbye to the hassle of manually inserting pillows into pillowcases. Multipro Machines is the world's largest manufacturer of premium home textile machinery, with exports to over 70 countries. With our expertise and innovation, we are proud to bring you this cutting-edge solution for your pillow packaging needs. Don't waste any more time on labor-intensive pillow packaging. Call us at +9 17202021999 or email sales@multipromachines.com to learn more about our latex pillow cover pack machine. Visit our website at www.multipromachines.com for more information. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on innovative home textile machinery solutions.